Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Souris, Manitoba, a scenic town where the prairie meets the river. This community sits along the Souris River and is famous for its swinging bridge, one of the longest pedestrian suspension bridges in Canada. The area was first settled in the early 1880s, originally called Plum Creek. As the region grew, the name Souris, taken from the nearby river, became more widely used. Souris is French for mouse, and it was the name given to the river by early explorers, possibly because of small animals they spotted nearby. Agriculture has been the backbone of the local economy ever since, and you'll still see wide open fields and hard-working farms in every direction. Whether you're crossing the bridge or just enjoying the view, Souris is a lovely place to visit. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Souris, Manitoba. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. On a clear day, the sky here would normally be a bright blue, but smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It softens the light and gives the sky a pale, hazy appearance. Wildfire smoke can travel a long way and affect skies and air quality even in places far from the actual fires. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months.